Alright guys, so we made it to the peach cobbler factory here in Carolina. As you can see, we got the banana pudding. That looks so good. That's the vanilla bean ice cream. They make their own ice cream also. And this right here is the peach cobbler. Let's get an open look at it. Oh my goodness, look at that. That looks so delicious. Peaches look fresh. The crust just looks so nice and juicy. Look at that. Alright, let's move over here to this banana pudding, see what she looking like. Oh my God. Woo! Man, my mouth is watering. Look at that. Just so nice and set up so perfectly. This is the Peach Cobbler Factory. If you're in the Carolina area, they got them going from Greensboro all the way to Charlotte, North Carolina. It looks really good. I can only imagine how good that vanilla bean ice cream gonna be. It just looks amazing. But I think I'm gonna get to this banana pudding first. Alright guys, I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. I'm gonna dig in and I'll do a blog responding, seeing how it was.